Okay.
I'm John Darling with Frontier Roofing Systems. Today we want to go over the hammer drill. It's just a tool used often in roofing, mainly for termination spots. Get a concrete wall, you put your membrane up and over or up to the bottom of the parapet wall, then you use termination bar. If it's concrete, you'll need to use a hammer drill to drill a hole in so you can sink your pin bolt. So that's the main use of a hammer drill in roofing. PPE you'll need: gloves, glasses. You can have hearing protection as well as a dust mask. You're drilling into concrete, so you can create some dust. When it's through a new roof though, usually you go through membrane and water cutoff, so shouldn't create too much airborne particles, but glasses, gloves for sure. So, got 3 different features to a hammer drill. Hammer drill part, symbol of a hammer, and the drill is the one used most often. Say 95% of the time in roofing. It creates a pounding motion while spinning the bit, which is how you get through the concrete. You also have just how the hammer drill sounds. And change it, got a little red button, just push on it, it'll twist around. So this is just a hammer feature, so no spinning. As you can see, the top doesn't spin. So this is a good use for a chisel. What you'd want to use this for is if you got a lot of mortar built up or hard caulking or anything where you just got a bunch. You put this attachment in here and it'll just bounce it back and forth, and then you can chisel stuff away. Then you got just the drill. I don't ever use that feature in roofing. But the main part is hammer drill. So to attach this, your hammer drill bit will have these little grooves in it. As with this bit as well, also has the grooves. It's not like a normal drill where you just thread it in. So you just gotta feel it. Just slides right in. There's no button to pop it out. This little cap pushes down and releases your bit. So you don't need to push it down when putting it in. Makes it loose. Make sure that's up. If you go in, that's not in all the way. It looks like it came in. You're still pulling right out. You gotta twist it around until you find that groove. There, and then you hear it click. And you're good to go. Alright, so we just got a brick here. Just want to demonstrate. So this is important that you know your depth of your drill. We got 1 1/4 inch, 1.5 inch pin bolt here. So what you're measuring is from the lip down to the bottom of the chamber here. So you hit this pin in, it drives into the body, expands out, and that's what's going to hold on to your concrete. So you're not drilling the whole depth of it, just that bottom part. So right there, I can eyeball it. I see where my depth is. I know I'm only going 1.5 inches in. This could be really important because you could be dealing with twin T walls, which are only a couple inches thick. And if you're blasting all the way through it, not only are you going to shove concrete out onto the inside of the building, but your pin bolt most likely won't catch. So, just want to put it right on the center of the brick here. See, I created a good depth. A little further than need be, but that's alright. As long as your hole ain't too big for the pin bolt that you have in question, you'll be fine. And just insert it. Usually if you're going through T-bar and membrane, you might have to wiggle it in there, but make sure you're in your hole. Just get that pin nice and flush. And you got a good pin bolt and you got a good termination. So that's our main use for a hammer drill. I said, pop it out, just pull down, pull out. We're good to go. Thank you.